Hello, hello, it's Jill from glimmerbug.com, and today I wanted to share with you a quick little project share that I've just been working on for the Easter holidays. And sorry, my nails are a mess from what I've been doing in my art room, but I made some Easter cards, and I've got some new downloads, digital downloads over on my website, glimmerbug.com, for you to check out. But I've done some watercolored bunnies. Aren't they cute? They're all little quirky little bunnies with flowers and fun little details on them. So these are the digital downloads. So there's actually two different downloads that you can purchase. Look at this guy with his little tie, so cute. So what I did was I printed them out, and I've made cards and tags and that kind of thing. So I just wanted to kind of share with you what I've done to make my cards for my family to send to them for Easter. So I just printed out the bunnies, and I've just added a little bit of detail, some glitter around here, like some glitter glue. I drew out a couple little extra leaves to make it 3D, and I drew on my whiskers, because if I drew them on the actual hard copy that you print out, it wouldn't line up, so you'd have to draw on your own whiskers. But isn't she cute? And I just put them on little craft cards that I think I got these from Walmart. This one I just added a little flower, watercolored flower, to his head and some glitter. And then this little sweetie pie, same thing, glitter glue here and some 3D leaves here. And then again I added the whiskers, and I did a little bit of a white edge that looks like stitching. So those are really cute to send to aunts, uncles, cousins, that kind of thing. I also did some larger ones on white cardstock, and they're a little bit busier. This one was a card that my daughter had just received in the mail about a month ago, and I thought it was so pretty, so I wanted to use it for a background. And these are just on white cards, again from Walmart. Printed her out, added some glitter and some bling, used some little papers that I had in I have a little like box of extra papers, from just scraps that I cut into circles, crumpled them up, and then added a gem in the middle with some 3D little leaves, and I put it on a little corrugated cardboard background that came in an Amazon package. So pretty cute. Same thing with this guy. This polka dot background was just from another card that we had received in the mail. Some little 3D flowers and some glittery bling, the corrugated cardboard, and then a couple of little pearls from Dollar Tree that was in their like craft section that I just put on there to spruce it up. This one, same thing, same card. Just adds a little bit of different look because I did it. These we're doing at portrait, and these did as landscape. Just gives it a little bit of a different layout. And then this guy, I added I had a little extra piece from the previous one that I did, so I made a little tag here and added some floral embellishments up there for him. So he's cute. I love him with his little argyle ears. Aren't they cute? Love him. And then, last but not least, I made a little tag. Still using that corrugated cardboard. So don't throw anything out. You can always use something for packaging. I've got some twine from some gardening that that's just my high school friend texting me from my gardening that I am getting my gardens ready. So I've had some extra of that, some ribbon. And the same thing, adding some bling, a little zhuzh, some whiskers, and then I did some rolled paper flowered rosettes. So really cute, really easy, a lot of fun to do. You can make them all look different, and they're all a lot of fun to put onto cards and send to your loved ones and your friends and family. So again, if you want to check out my downloads, I have two different files of the bunnies on glimmerbug.com. They're in the digital download section. So you can purchase that, and then you have forever access to those files, so you can print them out and make them into whatever you want. They fit on an 8.5 by 11 or 8 by 10 sheet of paper. And yeah, so that's that. So I hope you take a look over there, and if you are in the market to make yourself some cards, definitely these are a cute way to go. And I encourage you to make some, or tags, or for little gifts that you're giving for this Easter. Even if it's a hostess gift and you have a bottle of wine and you have a little tag, you can add a little tag to your bottle of wine to bring to whoever's hosting your Easter. That's a nice idea. So yeah, visit me online, glimmerbug.com. I've got a whole blog post up about this, and you can check out the link below to click over and check out these images. I hope you have a great creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.